You know. No, it was the music. It had threatened me with the music, so I tried turning it down. And then all of a sudden, I stopped seeing comments. That's what I'm wondering. Like, how the fuck do I get around it? And I wrote in there that I don't own rights to it, so fuck if I know. But yesterday when I did my live and I had the Kardashians playing, it still gave me like some crap. Because I didn't have rights. Alright. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It's stupid. Sorry, Johnny. Shit. I'm just mad at Facebook. I'm on Pandora, so like, how do you do non-copyright damn music? I'm about to be late to work again. I need to start making money off Facebook because my job gonna fire me. No, I'm playing. They not gonna fire me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something. I think that's the only thing. That's probably one of the reasons why I wasn't going live. It probably was because of that dumb bullshit. Hopefully, people will just come back and look for it if they see how it ended. And I'm already blocked. Tim, they did it to you? So how do you get around it? That shit's so stupid. Me too, Tim. Is it certain days you go live? Thank you, Sydney. Cher, shut up. I was supposed to say. What time you going live, Tim? I knew Cher was lying. I knew that had to be a mistake. She won't even listen to me when I tell her go live. Yeah, I know I gotta be extra. I just use Cher is stupid. Yeah, I did use my Wet n Wild liquid cat suits. This one is in Got Topic and this one is in Nudist Peach. I love those. I just did like an ombre effect, but I'm about to go in because I'm a tad bit extra. I'm going to go in with my Warm Honey and take a little bit. 8 tonight. Yeah, Warm Honey, Sherry, in the LA Girl Concealer. I know y'all probably can't hear my music, but I put it on some old school. That's my finished look, y'all. Oh, yeah. Y'all make sure y'all share it, but this is the end of the video. I did finish. And of course, I'm late to work, like always. But this is the finished look. I hope y'all like it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is A.Stewart, STEWART 11511. I'll be all on Snapchat and Instagram in a minute once I put my work clothes on and head out. And tomorrow is Thursday, so I will be live on my channel, on my page, my Facebook page, tomorrow. I'm gonna say 8:30. I always do it in the mornings because I'm home alone. The boys and the wife is not distracting me or acting a fool, so I always like to go early. So anywhere between 8:30 and 9 o'clock is when I go live. And if I'm late, just know I'm going to be there. If I'm not going to be there, I will make a post about it. But y'all make sure to go follow me at, I would text you first. Make sure to go follow me at LADI Tattoo Beauty. That's my beauty page. I tried to change it to the A.MaRee, but it won't let me for some reason. And if y'all want any lashes or contacts, pigments, or anything, make sure to go to Pure Royalness Co. Hair and Company. I have Royal Forgiveness on right now. These are my favorite pair of lashes. I've been in love ever since I put them on. I was rocking Fresh at first, but now I can't take Forgiveness off. And the contacts I have on right now is Penny Brown. And I have Sky Gray on its way. I think it's called Sky Gray or Crystal Gray. So make sure y'all go follow me. Use my discount code if you need to go on the website. My discount code is Diamond. And y'all save y'all some money. Tam got me. Tam put it in the comments. So y'all make sure to go check out their website and use my discount code. I just got a new unit that's on its way and some shades that's coming. So y'all gonna see some bomb ass pictures coming this weekend because they sent me an outfit and some shades. Ew. So I will be taking some dope ass pictures this weekend. But y'all come back tomorrow on my page. Sherry got me. My sister got me. She put my Facebook page down. Y'all come follow me there. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. And I will text you, sis, before I go live. And follow me on IG. You'll see this look.